tatanungin niyo ako ng reko ko for my personal favorite boneless fried chicken dito sa Cavite ha. Ang pambato ko talaga si Papa Fritos kasi I swear may laban siya sa mga boneless fried chicken ng Metro. And nakakatawa kasi as a Caviteño, mas umu-order ako here kesa sa mas sikat na boneless fried chicken dahil fave na fave kong salted egg and honey garlic nila. Eto, nice din kasi they're branching out na outside their OG branch in Bacoor, Cavite, and meron na sila dito sa Las Piñas. And let me tell you, mas na-appreciate ko yung chicken nila since fresh ko siya natikman. For me, they really nailed the flavors of their sauces. And hindi lang sauces yung mismong chicken din from skin to laman. Flavors talaga, ang pinaka-favorite ko is the salted egg kasi legit salted egg, hindi siya powdered. Tuwa talaga siya sa salted egg. Good balance of salty, savory, may konting kick ng spice and sweetness. Same goes with their honey garlic din, na garlicky and of course sweet. Pero right amount lang na wala masyado nangingibabaw. So it's a good blend of flavors. Favorite ko rin dito yung kanilang garlic parmesan. Most of the time when I order, as in legit garlic parmesan talaga. But today medyo napaalat lang siya ng konti for us. An inconsistency na sana ma-fix nila. Fourth one, this is our first time trying the honey barbecue and it's pretty okay din. It's good, solid, but nothing super wow. Worth getting din yung potato wedges nila kasi it's nicely seasoned. And si RC natuwa din sa Thai milk tea nila. Chicken naman, they nailed the crispy skin, tapos moist pa rin yung mismong manok. Pwede kayo mag-take out or order via delivery app. Plus side lang na pag-dine-in is extra crispy pa rin talaga yung manok. Although I wouldn't recommend kasi ang init. So best if nagpa-deliver kayo or pick up, kainin nyo agad para crispy pa rin yung manok. Nakailang order na kami dito kay Papa Fritos and for sure order ulit kami. Enjoy!